¿Sí?
Vayan,
No, mañana es un desmadre.
que la gente vea lo que tienen aquí en Pomona.
All right, we made it to Pomona. 1950 Ford two-door sedan, 5300. Here it is in all its glory. 5300 takes it. Pomona Swapmeet, the Fairplex in Pomona, tomorrow, Sunday, December 7th. I have that trim piece for the door. I don't have that one further back, but it's got its bumper guards, it's got its grill, it's got its headlights. There's no motor in this car, no motor. 5300. There's my phone number. 1950 Ford two-door sedan, 816-5118. I have this little piece here. I live in San Diego, so I can get it to you eventually, or I could ship it to you. 5300. There's my phone number, 909-816-5118. This windshield, if you want it, I have it as well. The rear bumper's there. The tail lights are there. This car is registered in my name, California title. I got a copy of the original title too. It's got 5 on 4.5 Ford wheels, semi-restored. I sandblasted them and then painted them